We're in Ray Township, Michigan, installing a sump pump line. It's a shallow sump pump line, but I want to explain what we're doing to improve on the one that failed. So this winter, a 3-inch sump line failed, and they took the shortest distance. Now, this is very important. That's why I actually decided to make a quick video. The shortest distance may not be the direction with the most slope. So coming out of the house and then just taking the shortest route to the ditch, it got flat. It got flat, ice built up in a 3-inch pipe, it broke. Freeze up. To prevent freeze up, I'm taking advantage of all the slope that this yard can give me. It's a 170-foot run and it's shallow. It's going to be in the frost and it's going to work just fine. But it's got 2% slope. So I just want to explain that. Remember, the shortest distance isn't always the best for your drainage. So make sure you keep that in mind. You want to get the water ripping. You want to keep it moving. You want the velocity up. So going up to a 4-inch pipe is going to really make this sump line a lot stronger, because the one that failed was a 3-inch. In order to take steps to a healthier backyard, you have to get all the water away from the house. Mold and mildew, spores. People don't realize it. Spring, you open up your window, you love that spring air. We all do. And the spores can end up right in your house, making all of us very, very sick. Boy, this came out really nice, huh? All right, everybody, till the next video.